Daily English expression. While you sleep. Day 20. Chapter 43. Discussing your favorite sports team. I'm a big fan of New York Yankees. Boston Red Sox is my favorite sports team of all time. I've been following Los Angeles Dodgers for years. Have you ever watched Chicago Cubs play? I love the energy and excitement of watching Philadelphia Phillies games. The players on Golden State Warriors are so talented. I think Los Angeles Lakers has a really good chance of winning the championship this year. I've never seen a game as exciting as when Boston Celtics won the championship. Chicago Bulls has some of the most passionate fans in the world. I love the team spirit and camaraderie of Dallas Cowboys. The coach of Pittsburgh Steelers is one of the best in the business. The strategy and tactics used by New England Patriots are really impressive. I'm always on the edge of my seat when I'm watching Green Bay Packers games. The teamwork and coordination of New York Giants is amazing. I'm really proud to be a fan of Miami Heat. I love the history and tradition of San Francisco 49ers. The players on Los Angeles Rams are not just talented, but also great role models. I think Seattle Seahawks has a really bright future ahead of them. Watching Houston Rockets play is always a highlight of my week. I think New Orleans Saints is one of the best teams in the league. The fanbase of Atlanta Braves is incredibly loyal and supportive. I think Cleveland Indians has some of the best athletes in the world. Watching San Francisco games always gets my adrenaline pumping. I really admire the determination and perseverance of Detroit Tigers. Chicago White Sox has a really rich and storied history. I love how Kansas City Chiefs represents our city-state country. The games between Baltimore Ravens and their rivals are always intense and exciting. I think Denver Broncos has a really talented coaching staff. I've been to several Tampa Bay Buccaneers games and the atmosphere is always electric. I can't imagine supporting any other sports team besides Cincinnati Reds.